Struggling to break free from your screen? Here's a quick hack to fix that. Step 1. Open Settings and go to Screen Time on iOS or Digital Wellbeing on Android and check how many hours you're scrolling each day.
Now it's your turn. You can say the answer out loud if you like. My teacher is as busy as a bee.